back on site by popular demand. You guys all wanted to see the backfill of the pool. Got another load of stone coming. We're gonna blow this whole side in with stone and some stone around a pipe, and then use the existing soil over on the left. Let's get to it. Just catching grade here. all going to be concrete on this end. Not all the way to the edge of the stone, but quite a bit. quick charge on the GoPro. I don't even know if it charged. Doesn't look it. But got the pool going backfilled and going good, I should say. Whole right side's done and graded with the stone, which you saw. The left side's dirt. They're gonna compact it, getting up on top of this pile and pushing this dirt off. Made a little ramp to get up. We go off this side, we're in trouble. About 20 some feet. So the play is to keep pushing this off, get it to that green space down there and there. Alright guys, I go to get the dozer. Can't play around beating the hell out of that skid steer, and I'm never going to be able to pack that bank the way I want to put a 45 on that bank. I will never get do it with the skid steer, so getting the dozy doze. Yep, and there we got thunderstorms everywhere popping up. I hope it misses us over here, but I doubt it. The clouds are cracking. I'm a firm believer there's a piece of equipment for every job, you know, and 90% of the pools that you backfill with the way it is now, but I'll never get that slope with the skid steer. Not in a matter of time in the way I want to track it and pack it, just so the topsoil lays on there and doesn't wash off. So that's what we're doing. That's what I'm doing. Going to grab it. Is what it is. All right, just got back into the site in the Komatsu dozer, climbing the big hill. This hill's getting all too familiar with you guys. Been playing on this, but makes the job right. You know what I mean? Gotta track it and pack it. So that's where I'm at, and the pool's all backfilled. You'll see that in a bit. They probably got it formed up because they're pouring concrete Monday, and we're gonna knock this hill down. Let's get to it. Alright, let's finish backfilling the pool. tracking this in. Super steep. Like I said, I'm standing right here. When I get down here, I'm standing straight up in the seat. That's how steep this is. It's packing it though. Packing that slope. Without it packed, you'll never grade it. You gotta keep packing and tracking. All right, let's see what we got. Just polished it off with the skid steer too. Access up and down here. He's gonna have a fence come across here, and then we're gonna put some boulders and shrubs, and this will be no man's land. Tapered off, tracked in. All right. Obviously, the more fill you bring out, the farther it goes in. Then you're pinning into trees, so it works out. And we're gonna let it set a few weeks and come back with topsoil and grade everything out from the destruction. We've had the road, cover all that, Harley rake it, topsoil, do this whole thing. And we'll take a peek at the pool real quick. He's got everything formed up, and this is gonna be all concrete. Looking good. A lot of concrete. It's gonna be a nice area through here. All right, that's gonna come out good. Everybody's happy. Making my way out to the trailer. Gonna push off this brush pile he asked me real quick. It is Saturday, and it's hot out right now. Heading down to the Kenny. Well, hopefully everybody enjoyed what they requested. They wanted to see the backfill. We'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Got a lot of foundations to backfill this week and get prepped for another one.